The purpose of this video is to show you how to post to Flipgrid for the very first time. In Google Classroom, I have posted the directions for you so you can click on that new material. And once you click on that new material, you'll see that a link pops up. You can use this link if you'd like to go to the direct website where your hours Flipgrid is going to be. If you would like to use the app instead, you're going to copy down this code and then put that code into the app. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. In addition, I also posted your directions here. These are the directions for what you are exactly going to be posting in Flipgrid based on the article that you read yesterday. In addition, how you are going to respond to other people, those directions are also posted in that Google Doc. So I'm going to open up the app. Once I open up the app, you'll notice that there is an Enter Flipgrid code line here. So I'm going to enter that code from the previous slide or from the previous picture. In addition, I can see any of the recent discussions or recent posts that I have created, and so you'll notice this is one of them that I can then click on if I need to. Once I've entered that code, this Flipgrid will pop up. You'll notice that I have several other students who've already posted their Flipgrids here that I can then go and view. If I want to make my own, I'm going to click on this green plus button. Once I click on the green plus button, a screen recorder is going to pop up. And this is where I can record based on the amount of time my teacher has given me about my topic. When I am recording, I could use sticky notes if I want students to look at a particular section or text. In addition, I could also use any of the applications at the bottom, including text or stickers or drawing on a whiteboard. In order to record myself, I'm going to click on the record button here. When I'm all done recording, there's going to be an arrow that appears here that allows me then to review my video. If I review my video and I decide I don't like it, I can always click the X button to go back or click record to record over something here. If I'm fine with my video, I can click on the green arrow down here. It'll ask me to take a selfie, which is what all of my classmates are then going to see when my video is posted and know that it was me that posted it. Again, you can use any of the stickies at the bottom. I added a sunshine for the hopes of summer coming, and then click on the green arrow. Once you click on that last green arrow, you're almost there. You just have to type in your name. Usually I ask that students put in their first name and then their last initial, and then click Submit Video. Once you submit your video, you should be able to view it on the same beginning screen that we saw our other classmates' videos on. If you have any questions or you thought you posted your video correctly but it is now not showing up, feel free to reach out to your teacher either on WebEx or through email. Otherwise, hope you have a great day. Bye.